Hello, guys. How are you doing? Welcome to Safe Traders. And at the very first outside, I would like to wish all of you a happy new year. I hope the new year that we have started today will bring you a lot of fortune and prosperity to all of you. And on the occasion of this new year, I would like to bring in front of you a great and a bright opportunity where you can earn passive income or an alternate income with a less capital possible. So let's directly get into the point where I will explain you or take you through a process how you can start doing it and earn additional income on daily basis. So this is called Wealth Club. Okay, so what you see in front of you, an application, or this is also available on web version as well. So which I will talk about it. So firstly, this is a Wealth Club 9. Okay, and let me first talk about the features or the advantages that we have using this Wealth Club. The first thing is that you can always earn a passive income apart from what you do in your daily trading. So you can earn passive income here. Okay. Secondly, earning this passive income is really possible with a low capital possible. You can just use very less capital to earn a very good amount here, probably less than 5,000. Okay, that's one more advantage. And the third one is you can actually invest your amount and earn profits in this Wealth Club 24/7. So it is not like the regular trading that we do in Bank Nifty or Nifty things or in stock options, etc. This is something different where this Wealth Club, what you see here, is available 24/7, and you can start investing there and earn profits there on a daily basis. So this is available 24/7, and I will also tell you how to use that. Okay, and in simple words, this is number based income. So which I will also talk about it in a few minutes, how this is basically done. Okay, and you just need to start guessing the numbers, whether it's an odd number or an even number. Then based on your guess, and if your guess goes correct, either odd or even, that is when you start earning money. Okay, and I have experienced it. I have been using it for quite some time now, and I have experienced very high probability of earning profits here. High probability whenever you invest, there is a plan that we follow, and if we strictly follow that plan, there is a high probability for you to earn money. So keeping all these in mind, I will explain you how this is going to be, how we are going to use this number kind of game that you see on the left side here, and how we can earn money. Okay, so let's get directly into that. Okay, so how this number game works. Okay, and how we start earn money. Okay, so when you actually look at the interface here, you have multiple things here where it shows you your current balance, and there is a time ticker, and the time ticker starts from 3 minutes. Okay, as you see the timer here, 3 minutes will be allotted for each investment. So among 3 minutes, you can use 2 minutes 30 seconds for you to place an investment, and rest of the 30 seconds will be used to take the lottery out. Okay, this is the basic rule that we use. Okay, and here you see that there are different commodities that are available: gold, jewelry, silver, and other. So we concentrate only on jewelry for now. We are not looking at gold, silver, and other. And under jewelry, you see different portions here. Okay, where you see an odd number, or odd section, even section, and the lucky section. Now here in jewelry, we are not considering lucky part of it, or even the numbers that you see here. No, we are not looking at any of these things. Just look at these two sections only: odd and even. Under jewelry, we look at odd and even. So what this basically means, for example, your timer starts at at every third minute. Once your timer starts, you start guessing what will be the next result out of the poll. So if you say that your guess will be odd number, okay, the next result will give you an odd number, and start investing, maybe for example 10 rupees. Okay, and some might invest saying this could be an even number. Okay, this could be any other. So now if you say that the odd number will be your next result, and invest only 10 rupees, for example, and by default, out of 10 rupees, 1 rupee will be taken as a fee. So totally you are left with only 9 rupees here. So 9 rupees will be placed against odd number. Now after the third minute, after the result is posted, if the result shows that the number that is displayed is odd number, when I say odd number, the numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So these are the odd numbers that you see within 10 numbers. So if one of them is displayed apart from the fifth number, we'll talk about it later. Apart from fifth number, so if one of these is being displayed as a result, you will get 1 times more than the invested amount. For example, now you have already invested 10 rupees and 1 rupee is taken as a commission, and you have another 9 rupees left. And if your guess goes correct, 9 rupees plus 9 rupees, totally 18 rupees will be your profit. And if you start guessing it is going to be an even number and invest only 10 rupees, 1 rupee is taken as a commission, 9 rupees will be your investment, and after the guess going correct, you will receive additional 9 rupees, which will sum up to 18 rupees profit. Now you might have a question in your mind that what if my guess goes wrong? So it is not so easy that every time your guess goes right. Okay, now what if your guess goes wrong? For example, I am investing again 10 rupees on a odd number or even number. Now I invested saying, okay, my guess will be odd number for the next result. Okay, so if I go here, the list of records will be shown, how and what time was the number, and whether it was an even number or a odd number. We will talk about the even lucky and odd lucky that you see there. So we will talk about it shortly. But for now, let's look at only what you see here, odd and even numbers. Now we know that after investing 10 rupees, 1 rupee is gone for commission or a fee. So 9 rupees will be invested. Now, if your guess goes wrong, for example, you are deducted by this 9 rupees. So you basically lost these 9 rupees, and it goes same with the even number. You invested 9 rupees, and if your guess goes wrong, your 9 rupees are lost. So now, what is the probability that I was talking about initially, that we would earn money and there is a high probability of winning money? Now, imagine, now if you carefully look at the charts or the records that you see here, let me go into the full records. You see that at least in the sequence of 5 to 6, it is a combination of odd and even numbers. Combination of odd and even numbers. So which basically means that if you start investing here, for example, you started investing odd number here, and your guess went wrong, you lost your money. Next time you can start investing again on the odd number again, so you will eventually start earning money here. Or even if this goes wrong, we can start with another odd number or even number. Even here we will start earning that. Now what is the logic of earning money here? Because sometimes you might feel that I invested saying that this is going to be an odd number, I went wrong, and I invested here as an even, I lost money. Or I invested as a odd number and it went out to be even, so I lost money here. So now what is the basic logic that we follow here? The logic here is that we need to follow either two procedures. Okay, what is the first procedure? First procedure is that you start with one particular number or particular type of the number. Either it is a odd number or even number. For example, first time, irrespective of what you see here, you start investing. Okay, my guess is going to be even number. If this fails, next time your guess will be odd number. Okay, even if this fails, next time it is going to be odd number. Even if this fails, it's going to be odd number again. So it is like you are switching between the types of the numbers that you see here. Okay, it's going to be again even number and odd. So when you actually do this, you see, you just need to follow this particular procedure. This is one of the procedure that I'm talking about. Okay, the second one I will shortly talk about, but this is one of the procedures where if you follow this process, at least in this sequence, your guess will be correct at least once. Okay, in this particular sequence, for example, let's say I started with, maybe here I started with even number, I lost it. Okay, and I said odd number, I lost it. Even, I lost it. Odd, I lost it. Even number, so I won here, right? So after 4 sequences, I was able to earn money here at least. Now, what is the point? I lost 10 rupees here, for example, 10 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 rupees, or 10 rupees here. I lost almost 40 rupees here. And now, fifth time, even if I invest 10 rupees, how will it accommodate the 40 rupees that I lost? So here is the catch. So for example, if you are starting to invest 10 rupees here, okay, you lost it. Next time we will invest 30 rupees. Next time, even if you lost, we would invest 90 rupees here. Okay, if you lose here, you would invest 270 rupees. Okay, eventually here it will be more than this. For example, if you lost here, you lost 10 rupees. If you lose here also, it will be 40 rupees. If you lose here also, it will be 40 plus 90, 130 rupees. But fourth time, if you win 270 rupees, okay, you would not only be able to recover this money, but you will also be in profit. Okay, your brokerage will be some, or fee will be 27 rupees here. When you invest 270 rupees, your fee will be around 27 rupees, which is like you are trying to invest only 243 rupees here, right? Once you invest 243 rupees, and if your guess goes right here, what you lost is 90, 30, and 10, which is like 130 rupees. Okay, and if you have lost 130 rupees, and fourth time if you are able to win, you are at least receiving another 113 rupees here. So it is still a profit. You are able to come out of profits in the sequence that you follow. Okay, this is one of the sequences that you can follow. And second sequence, let me talk about the second sequence, how or what logic that you can follow as a secondary process. Okay, so second process would be, you just need to follow any one of the type of the number, either odd or even. For example, you think you can start investing on odd numbers. You start investing, okay, you lost it. Again, it will be odd, lost it. Again, it will be odd, you lost it. Again, it will be odd. So one of these sequences, any one of the sequences will go in your favor. This is, by the way, this is the trades that we have taken today. So if you look at the 0101, which is basically of today's 0101, which is January 1st. So which you see it. So I'm taking an example of today itself. So now imagine you started investing here. Okay, odd number, you lost it. Okay, second time you invest again, it will be 7 rupee, 7, which is kind of odd number again. So which basically means that you won here. Now this is one procedure that you can follow, or this is a second procedure that you can follow. So any one of these procedures or the logics that you follow will give you a benefit at the end of the day, or at least in one of the sequences. Now, wouldn't you lose money? Yes. There are very, very rare situations where, even after betting or even after investing 6 or 7 sequences, you might still see a reverse number. Basically, if you are saying it will be an even number, you might see odd here, you might see even, or odd here, it will be even here, or it will be odd here, it will be even here. So it is very rare combination that you will receive these sequences. Very, very rare combination, but at least 90% of the times you will still be in favor of these logics. So any one of these logics will work in favor of you, apart from those rare sequences that you see something like this. Or sometimes you might see even number here, even number here, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time, all the time you might receive even numbers here, or odd numbers in a sequence against your favor sometimes. So, but that is a very, very rare combination, which you don't see it all the time. So which is kind of once in a day or twice in a day, something like that. Very, very rare combination that you would see it. Okay, so if this is a situation, the probability is very high for you to start earning money. Okay, now once you know that how it is invested or how you can start earning, which I will also show you a live trade or live example of how we can invest and start earning money. I will show you at the end of the video. Please have a look at the video completely so that we can clearly understand how this is basically done. How or what kind of amount that is required for the recharge, or what is the capital that is required, and what is the probability of it. So let me show you a sheet that helps you find out the easy way of understanding how this actually works or how much you can invest. Now, if you want to start investing only 10 rupees per round or per result, you can have 3,640 rupees or probably 4,000 rupees. Okay. So similarly, if you want to start investing only 20 rupees per round, and then you can start with some 7,000 change. So similarly, depending on how much or what kind of lot sizes or what kind of amount that you would like to invest, you can start arranging the funds here. Okay. Now, if you start investing like this, the profits that you will receive are here. For example, first time if you invest, okay, with 10 rupees, and if your guess goes right in the first attempt itself, your profit will be 9.4. Okay. And if your guess goes right second time with 30 rupees profit or 30 rupees of investment, you remember I was talking about, um, if you lose first time, okay, you can invest with 30 rupees, or if you lose the second time, you can invest with 90 rupees or so something like that. So you can easily start calculating your funds and also rewards using this. Okay. Now, if your guess goes right the second time, your profit will be this. If your guess goes right third time, your profit will be this. And if your guess goes right the fourth time, and the profit will be here. So you can eventually calculate how much you will be able to earn at the end of the day, depending on how many times you are trading or how many times you are investing on a particular odd and even number, and also the maximum profit that you can receive in a particular round. So this you can do it as many times as possible in a day, because this is open 24/7, and you can do it daytime, nighttime, or anytime wherever you are comfortable. But when you are doing it, do complete one particular sequence at least, and you can do the rest of the investment later also. So based on your investment, based on your capability of investing, you can start arranging these funds. Okay. For example, if you want to start investing 100 rupees, you might want to have some 36,400 in your account, and then start investing. That is where you will be able to earn 94 rupees if your guess goes right first time. If your guess goes right second time, it will be 182. Similarly, 446, 1200, and 3600. And at the end of it will be 10,000 if your guess goes right, the sixth time. So this is how you can easily start earning money. And based on that, you can actually pause the video, or probably you may want to make note of the funds that are required. You can also start calculating, or if you are still concerned or worried about a lot of investment, you can just start with a lesser amount, probably with some 4,000 or 4,000 or 5,000 rupees. You can start with that amount and start with only some 10 rupees or 30 rupees or so. That is when you can start experimenting. And once you grow comfortable and once you build trust, that is when you can start increasing your funds. That will help you in the long run. For example, okay, we have already started investing 10 rupees, which is like 1 rupee is gone for fee, 9 rupees that we are trying to invest. First time you started guessing on even number. Second, and this has gone wrong. Second time you said odd number, and this has also gone wrong. So basically you invested 10 rupees here, this time 30 rupees. And third time, for example, you invested on even number, which is like 90 rupees. And where you recovered all this money, okay, and you are in profit here. Okay. So which is a good thing. Now, what is the next round procedure that you would need to follow is like you need to start from the beginning here. Okay. Start from only 10 rupees only. You need to start with 10 rupees. Don't go with 90 rupees or 270 rupees from here. So the moment you receive profits, your process stops there and you go back to the beginning, 10 rupees. Okay. Don't start investing. Since you received profits does not mean that you go above this investment and start losing money. You need to just go back to the previous investment or the first investment, and then start the process all over again until you receive the profits in the next line of sequence. So this will eventually help you in gaining profits. You just need to follow this income chart that we have, and that will help you in the long run, where you can earn a lot of profits. You can arrange funds based on that. Now there are two things that I would like to talk about. One is how do you recharge this account, and how do you put a payout of this account. So if you want to invest, you obviously need to recharge it. Now I already have 13,200 here in my account. I have already put some of the payouts there. So now how you would be recharging in case if you want to do it. Okay. So you just need to go here, click on this recharge icon. Okay. And select the amount that you want to enter here, probably some 5,000. or it could be some 10,000 or so. You just need to enter it. Once you enter, click on this recharge button. Once you click on this recharge, you will be taken to a page like this, okay, where this gives you an information of what you need to do, okay, where it says after the payment is successful, you must coming back here to submit the reference number or the UTR number, which is like 12 digit. Only then your money will be reached to your account. So you just need to click confirm here, okay, and you need to copy this particular UPI ID. Okay, you just need to copy this UPI ID and go back to your UPI payment platforms. You can either use Paytm, phone pay you can use, or you can also use Google Pay. You can use any other banking platforms like ICICI mobile app, or it could be HDFC Bank, it could be Bank of Baroda, it could be any banking application, and you just need to copy and paste your UPI ID in the bank account information there, where there is an option for you to pay to a new UPI ID. In any of this, you can use Paytm, phone pay, or Google Pay, or any other application through, you can pay to this particular UPI ID. Okay, and once you pay to this UPI ID, you will receive a reference number there. Okay, a reference number or a UTR number, which is like 12-digit one. It will be shown once the payment is complete. So once you come back to this, you can just look at how this is basically done here. When you look at the video description, it will tell you how to do it. Okay, so I'm just playing that for you to understand how this is basically done. So once the money is transferred successful, you just need to copy that UPI reference number that you see it there, come back to this, and you just need to paste that UTR or the reference number in the box given there. Once that is done, your trading will be success. And you can go back to your normal Wealth Club account. Then you just need to enter your reference ID here. Once that is done, you can go back to you just need to click on yes or no once that is done. Since I have not done the payment here, I'm going to click no. Okay, I'm coming back to my account. So, and you just need to click on refresh. That will refresh your balance. Okay, once the balance is refreshed, you should be able to see your balance in this area. Okay, hope this is clear so far. Okay, and if you have any questions, that you can always come back to us, and you can comment on the comment section, and I will also provide you my Telegram link and also the Telegram group that I am part of, and also the group where we work on multiple trading technologies and also strategies. Please join the Telegram group as well, and if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me as well. Okay, that is one, how you can recharge it. Once the recharge is done, how do you put a payout? For example, you already earned some 13,000 or 10,000 is your profit for the day, or maybe 1,000 rupees profit for the day. So I always suggest, now if your capital is, for example, if your capital is 5,000 rupees and you ended up earning another 1,000 rupees in the same day, so your balance will be around 6,000 rupees. So I would suggest you can put a payout on the same day between 10 a.m. 5 p.m. during those days. Okay, you can put a payout between these timings only, where the payout will be in your account within 24 hours maximum. Okay, so, and if you have any questions directly, or if you want to know how or if there are any issues during these transactions or payouts or pay-ins, etc., you can always reach customer care, which is available here. So you just need to click on service and click on WhatsApp. It will take you to a WhatsApp chat with the customer service agent, and he will be able to help you with all the queries that you may have. Coming back to the most important thing now. Okay, how do you get started with this? We know how to trade, how to add money, and the logic behind it. Yes, we know all that. Now, how do you start doing it, or how do you start getting into this? So for this, you would first need to recharge, or you would need to register yourself with this Wealth Club account. Now, how do you do that? What I'm going to do, I will be providing you a link, registration link in the description, Wealth Club 9. So I will add that link in the description, and you can register using that link. Once you register, once you open that link, okay, it will take you to a page where it says something like this. Okay, it will take you to a register page. You need to enter your registered mobile number, Okay, and you just need to create your passwords, and um, and eventually once you click on OTP here, it will send you an OTP, and once the OTP is received, okay, you just need to click on register, it will register. Okay, now after that you just need to come back to a sign in. Once you register, it will take you to a sign in page, and you just need to enter your mobile number, password, and then and the code that is available in the image here, and that will take you to login page. I logged in now. I go to a tab called enjoy here. I just click on it. Okay, once this is done, I directly go to a jewelry section, which I was talking about earlier. So we concentrate only on jewelry section. Now the lottery is being picked up. Okay, and it will give us the, so it's a even number. So whoever has bid their amount on even number will have their money doubled. Now let me quickly talk about the lucky numbers that we have here. Okay, so when I say lucky numbers, even in odd numbers and even numbers, there are two lucky numbers. So when it comes to odd section, the lucky number is 5. When it comes to even numbers, it is 0, which is a lucky number. And what is the significance of this? For example, you selected odd number and invested 9 rupees, or basically 10 rupees, but 1 rupee is taken for fee. Now you invested 9 rupees. So once you invested saying that my guess would be odd number and 9 rupees will be your take on this. If you receive 5, which is odd number, but it is a lucky odd number or odd lucky number, okay, where you will receive only half of the price amount or half of the amount that is offered. For example, it will be instead of 9 rupees, you will receive only 4.5 rupees. Same goes with the even as well. So if you receive an odd lucky or odd even numbers, you will receive only half of the price amount. For example, you invested 9 rupees and your price amount would be 9 rupees plus 4.5, which is like 13.5 rupees. So this is how you will be awarded. Okay, so this is the significance of having these two odd and even numbers. Yeah? And that, now for those, I'm going to talk about the people who are not really confident of trading by themselves here. So some people might think that no, I do not know these logics. I don't want to take a risk, basically, etc. For them, for those who think that no, they don't want to take the risk. Okay, for them, so there is a WhatsApp group that's available. Okay, WhatsApp group that's available, and I will also share the link in the description as well. So after registering themselves and after recharging, you can use that link to join a WhatsApp group. Okay, and now what is the significance and what happens in this WhatsApp group? So every day at 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. daily, there will be free calls provided in this WhatsApp group. There will be free calls. You don't need to pay anyone for anything. You just need to join this group. And at 2 p.m. and 8 p.m., you will be receiving free calls in the WhatsApp group, and where they will tell you whether you need to invest on odd number or even number. You just need to follow that plan, at the end of the day, or at the end of that one particular cycle. So they will provide you about 4 to 5 times a day, 4 to 5 times for that time slot, 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. So once you are in profit, they will stop this call here, and also at 8 p.m. once you are done with the profits, you can come out of it. So for those who don't want to take risk, or who those who did not basically understand the logic, or who does not want to take risk by themselves, or by investing by themselves, they can just join this WhatsApp group. Okay, and I will also provide the link in the description. Once that is done, you will be able to trade, within these timelines. This is an IST time zone, 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. And once that is done, you'll be able to receive free calls there. Okay, you don't need to pay anyone for any of these calls. Okay, and if someone is trying to offer you some kind of paid calls, please block them. There are no paid calls there, at least around these 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. And you will be able to receive free calls there. Okay, hope this is clear for those who want to avail free services on WhatsApp. I think I've been pretty much clear so far with all the concepts and whatever that is required and how this is going to be done. So now I am going to take you to a live trading system, how we are going to trade it. Okay, and how we can earn profits. Do you remember the plan? Okay, so let me put the plan in the background first and trade accordingly. Okay, this is our plan. Okay, so what you see on the left side is our plan. Now I'm going to do that exactly following that. um, trading plan that you see. So I'm going to start with 10 rupees here for now. Let me see. Okay, now we just have 25 seconds almost for the lottery to close or the result to close. Once this is done, I will start with 10 rupees odd section basically being picked up. Okay, now this is an odd number that we received. So I'm just going to go with odd number. For example, I am trying to invest only 10 rupees. Okay, with number one, basically 1 into 10 rupees. And my fees will be, so the contract money is 10 rupees. I'm saying adding it one time because I just want to add only 10 rupees. And fee is taken 1 rupee. And I need to just click on I agree for the basically, terms and conditions, etc. Then I'm good. Now I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, done. So once I click on confirm, okay, you just need to scroll it down. Okay, you will see the kind of order that I placed here. I selected odd number at what time, 7:37, which is you see here, on the right bottom side, and delivery is 9 rupees because 1 rupee is taken as a fee. And you can also look at the historical orders, how much I placed in earlier and what was my amount that I received additional to what I have invested. So the list of historical records are shown here. Okay, so and waiting order is this because the time is still pending. I still have another 1 minute 13 seconds for the lottery to pick up or for the result to come. Once that is done, I will have my result coming out. So I started with 10 rupees only for now, just to make you feel safe for now. Okay, so I'm just waiting. After 30 seconds, or when there are 30 seconds left, we cannot place any more orders. It will just gray out. Okay, see that. So I guessed on odd number. So if I receive any one of the odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, I will gain extra amount. Okay, you see this. Now I received an even number, which is like I lost the amount. Now when I go into a more option, historical order, see the last order that I placed was on odd and the result was even number. 4 was an even number. So I failed it. I lost my 9 rupees. Now what I would do, I would follow the same logic that I was talking about. Since I placed on an odd number, I will place the second sequence or second one would be 30 rupees. Okay, for the even number. Now it does not tell you even or odd because the logic is decided by us. We need to decide the logic by ourselves. Okay, so I want to go with the logic of odd even number. So since I selected odd number earlier, now I'm going by even number, which is like 30 rupees. I would like to select number 3, which is like 3 into 10, 30 rupees. I agree. Fee is collected as 3 rupees, and I click on confirm. Selected even number, and I'm waiting. My order is still waiting. So if my guess goes right this time, I will be able to recover my previous loss and I will be able to be in more profit. I lost it again. See this again? Okay. So I selected even format and the result came as odd number. I still failed. So which is like I lost 30 rupees here and 10 rupees, which is like 40 rupees. Now I would go back to my logic again. Previously I invested on odd number, I lost it, and I invested on even number, I lost it. Now I am going to invest on odd number with 90 rupees. The third one is 90 rupees. I am going to select this time 100 rupees than 90 rupees because when I select 100 rupees, my fee will be still 3 rupees. Whereas if I select 90 rupees, for example, my fee will be 9 rupees. So I trying to be more smart here, trying to reduce my fee and remain at same 9 rupees there. Or so 3 rupees fee and 90 rupees investment there, or 97 rupees investment, so that I can increase the chances of gaining more profits if the guess goes right. Okay, so instead of 90 rupees, I'm selecting 100. That's it. Where because I just wanted to save some fee there. Okay, so that's an even number again. So which is like I lost it again. If you look at 4 sequences, I lost 100 rupees, 30 rupees, 10 rupees, and also or 10 rupees, 30, which is like 40, and 100 rupees, which is like 140 rupees is what I lost. With an odd number, I'm still sticking to my logic where I would like to invest to 70 rupees. Okay, and this time it is going to be on a, last time I invested on odd number. Now this time it is going to be even number. Okay, it's going to be 270, but I would like to make it 300 to save my fee again. Okay, but you can just stick to 270 rupees by selecting 10 here, and which is like 27 number. Okay, so this will take you to 270, right? But I am selecting 300 just to save the fee here. Okay, and gain more profits there. Super. There you go. You see this? So I just stuck onto my logic there. Okay. So where you see that, here was my first failure. Okay, where I invested on odd number, but I failed because there was an even number. Okay, and second time also I failed, even number, and result was odd number. Selected odd, and the result was even number, though it was lucky. Okay, and last time final decision that I made was even number, and yeah, so I know that this is an even lucky number. This is not a right even number, because I would receive only half of the amount, which is like 145 rupees, which does not recover, which recovers all my money. Okay, which is like I invested 100 rupees first here, and 30 rupees here, and 10 rupees here, which is like 140 rupees I invested earlier, and final amount that I invested was 300 rupees, and I received an amount of 145, because being a lucky, if you remember, I told you, if we receive a lucky number, I will receive only half of the total amount, which is like 291 plus half of 291, so which is like 145 plus. But if it is a real lucky number like 1379, etc., my amount will be 291. My amount will be 291 plus 291, whereas here I will receive only 291 plus 145.5, only this. So which eventually gave me the profits. I wasn't in a great profit, but I was able to recover my um, older amount earlier, and be still in the profits there, little profits, but still in profits. Okay, so similarly you can start investing, and if you are able to follow this plan, plan for the 6 times, you will always be able to make money. You start investing with 10 rupees there, 30 rupees, 90, 270, 810, and 2430 with a capital of 3600. Your maximum profit will be somewhere around this. Okay, so which is kind of good enough for you to earn on a daily basis. So if you follow this process, maybe 2-3 times a day, you would still end up with 2-3,000 a day. Imagine, with a capital of 3,000 change or 3,600 change, you are able to earn maximum profit of 1,000 plus with one sequence I'm talking about, where you can trade in multiple sequences in a day. So this is just in one sequence. So if you go with the right logic and right plan, you will still be able to make good amount on a daily basis. So if you are doing this right on a daily basis, probably you can earn at least 5 to 6,000 a day, and you can close the day if you want after earning some profits there. Okay, hope you are able to follow the entire process how this is done. You can use this investment chart or earning chart as a cheat sheet for you, so that you can start using it. Okay, and if you still have any more questions for you, and how you would like to achieve this, etc., you can still post those details in the comment section, or you can join the Telegram channel and just let me know how this is done. Or the best thing is that you can just go to a service center and WhatsApp the number that will be displayed here when you click on this WhatsApp, and the customer service will be able to help you further better. There should not be any issue. Hope you are able to follow each and everything that we have been explaining. So if there is anything that you want to know about rules, there are rule sections here. You can just still check the rules section, how this is being played, and how much is the reward that you can receive once you place an order, be it an odd number, even number. Okay, so based on that, you can start still get your questions clarified on even, or it could be lucky number, or any selected number, etc. Okay, you can also look at the trend that has been giving out the numbers in different rounds. Okay, how many even numbers are provided, how many odd numbers are provided, how many lucky numbers are provided, etc. With different between different other commodities that are available. Okay, so this would be one good opportunity for all those with lesser income or lesser capital, where they don't have lakhs of rupees to invest in trading systems, etc. So this would be a wonderful opportunity for them to make use of it. So for those who want to, as a last information that I would like to provide is that, how you want to put a payout, how you would like to withdraw your profits. You just need to come to our mine section here, click on my wallet, and you just need to click on withdrawal. Once you click on withdrawal, there will be an option for you to select no bank card selected. Once you click on that, this will show up an information where you can just put in your debit card number, account number, and IFSC code. That's it. Not the Those account number details will be provided. Once the account number details are paid in, you just need to follow the recharge process that I was talking about. Once that is selected, for example, so I am selecting a account number here, bank card number. Once that is done, I just need to select any amount that I would like to, probably 2,500 or 500, 400, etc. Once I select, there will be a fee of nominal fee somewhere around 45 rupees or so. That is done. Then you can click on submit. Now it is not in service hours because we are not in service hours because it is already 8 o'clock in the evening. So the payout happens only between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay. So if you actually look at, I did put a payout today, withdrawal records. If you look at, see this. This is on January 1st, which I put it today, which is 15,000. I put a payout and the payout was success. I received this in my account. So this was 2 days ago, where I put a 2,500 and the fee was 75 rupees, and this payment was successful. So I will be able to track each and everything here. Okay, and how or where you would like to trade this, or which platform, etc. That you can directly do it on the web, based on the link that I provide. I will provide the link in the description. You can either use that link, or I will also be providing you a link to an APK, which you can download it on your Android systems. You can download this as an application and install it on your system, on your Android systems. For iOS systems, we don't have an APK that's available still. For those, iOS users can still use web version. Okay, so they can just put in the link that I will be providing in the description and start signing in, and that should help you to gain profits. Hope this long session, I know this has been a long session, has been helpful, but I feel that this is worth taking time to understand, and this will be a very good opportunity for those with less income or lesser capital, for them to earn passive income on a daily basis. And especially for those who cannot really afford to be available during the trading hours between 9:15 to 3:30, for them it will be a great opportunity. They can actually follow this practice whenever they are comfortable. And again, I wish all of you a happy new year, and I'm sure this will help you in the long run to gain early profits and passive income for all of you. And wishing you all the very best. And thank you so much. Please, if you like this video and if you are trying to gain profits already, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.